Renteria, and it's mostly a game we decided to develop using the application called Adobe Flash, and it's actually it's a rather simple app to use once you get the hang of it. Like here we have the frames, which is literally where the magic is stored. It literally has all the arts, the game, the characters, everything. Everything is stored in each frame, and in each frame we have the codings. The codes are actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. It's actually the only thing that tells them what to do, when to do it. It's mostly the brains of the whole thing. So, due to time, I will be going through this as quickly as possible. So let's just jump right into the game. As you can see here, we have the main menu, which right here is the title, which is alive. We have two buttons which move once you hover over them. The background, and as you can see, it's a movie. It's motion, which it's actually rather difficult to do, but we managed. Here we have the instruction set. Here it basically tells you how to move, and it just gives you the general idea of how to play the game. Let's just jump right into one of the levels. Here we have level 1, which is rather simple. We have enemies, walls, rooms, mostly general things. We decided to make this game a little bit more different in a way. Like as you can see right there, here we have, it's a rather simple newspaper we made. It's basically telling them, giving them a little bit of background on what's happening, what happened to the story. So for time's sake, I will rush through this as quickly as I can. Just avoid the enemies and go. Level 2. It's rather the same thing. It's pretty much puzzles, which, I mean, you can't go wrong with puzzles. As you can see now, a door open here. But for time's sake, I will just rush through it. Here's another level. And this is where it gets a little bit dark. This will be one of the final frames we'll be inputting to the game due to it being a little bit in the dark side. And this is what happens when you lose. So I thank you, and this is a work in progress, so please don't be harsh.